name is Saurabh Sharma. I'm the store leader of Decathlon Suchitra at Hyderabad, and today I'm here on this video to tell you about a short story about the role played by Life After Strategies in the small success of Decathlon Kompally in 2020. So to make it more interesting for us to understand, let me take you back and to highlight the problems or things we were struggling with in the mid of this year. Like every other store, we were also struggling with to generate enough turnover after pandemic. We were struggling a lot to improve our conversion. We had difficulties in improving our average basket value, average basket size. But more than any of this, we were struggling with improving our net margin or gross margin, we can say. More or less, the reason was the discontinued stock what Decathlon Suchitra was holding, and every time we were taking decisions of getting rid of the stock, we were not able to make enough margin to make the store profitable. To overcome these problems, we came up with many local decisions. We reworked on our mass plan, we reworked on our range selection, we reworked on linear meters optimization, square meter optimization. In the end, we reworked on our human organization as well. But I can tell you in past 6 months what seemed to have really worked for us in a very clear and effective way was our life after strategies, because I was a part of when we were taking decisions on the life after strategy. So I really used to believe the strategies from day one. So it has a big impact on our store profitability in the end. We took many life after strategies for this store. We did I think product of the month, we did multi-buy offers, we did panoply inside the store, we did demonstration strategy inside the store, and we did TG strategy inside the store, we did homepage strategy inside the store, and many of them are what we were doing. But in the end, one of what seemed to have worked really well and exactly on the pain points what we had in Decathlon Suchitra was the United Sales Plus. As I said that we were really struggling in generating margin, it was really important for me to come up with something which can help us in generating enough margin. So today the TG strategy what I was telling about, so we reworked on our TG structure, and today we stand at around the TGs contribute around 10 to 15% of the turnover per week, and it generates almost 26 to 28% of the margin. I was talking about the United Sales Plus the strategy. This has really helped us in changing not just the margin but then the mindset of the teammates in 5 months. Today they really think United, and we started slowly by the strategy of United Sales Plus when we were putting some products from different sports inside the layout. But today we were able to generate 10% of the quantity sold just by United Sales Plus, and that was contributing around 2% of the turnover, contributing almost at around 36% of the margin. But then slowly when people start evolving, coming up with this United mindset, we started putting, thinking the same for the central aisle cubes or the TG cross marketing. We came up with different products. We came up with different products for the checkout trolleys. Overall, today, the impact is that we know 28% of the quantity sold in Decathlon Suchitra are sold under this strategy. It contributes overall around 10% of the turnover, and it contributes around 35% of the margin in the store, which has generated a lot of turnover, of course. And in the end, this really helped me in balancing out, when I was flushing some clearance. Meanwhile, these strategies were helping me to balance my margin, and we slowly started improving after August, September. We slowly started increasing our margin overall, and hence the profitability was also increased. The motivation of the teammates were on another level, and finally when we closed the year, we were able to do a break even. We closed at a positive EBIT for YTD. We continue our actions for 2021 as well, being very focused on our actions, especially the life after strategies, and being frugal on our costing. In the end, I strongly feel that we should continue pushing these strategies in our store, because these are basic strategies and they are really result oriented, and I think we should continue pushing it for 2021 as well.